Hey man, you really gonna get married? What's going on, my beautiful people? Here we are in Sky Harbor in Phoenix. Got the boys behind me, about to go to Vegas.
Just joined forces, got the whole crew.
We got one. I see Garf, I see Ward, I see the crew, all of us.
Yes, sir.
What a classic, man.
Save me the window seat.
What a gentleman.
Look at this.
What's up, dude? How sweet it is. How sweet it is. Got a lot of turbulence right now. A lot of turbulence.
It's just waves, waves, highs and lows, baby.
Look at this power circle right here. Next stop is to get some food. I'm hungry, really, really hungry, so it's time to eat. About to enter this White Castle, see if they got some vegan options. They might not. We're rolling the dice here. Let's find out.
Check it out, guys. They got the Impossible Burger right there.
Let's see what it's about. I'm gonna find out if it's fully vegan or not. If not, then we out. Could I get 2 Impossible sliders and then a large French fry, and then no cheese on the Impossible sliders? And then is there any sauce that comes on them or anything?
No.
I got 2 Impossible Burgers and a large fry because they're both vegan, and I got no cheese on them, and I guess there's no sauce. I'm gonna add some ketchup and mustard down here. Hope you guys can hear me. I know it's loud in here, but I'm gonna show you guys these Impossible sliders as soon as I get them. Never had White Castle, first time trying it, and it's all vegan, so thumbs up for me. I'll show you guys the food when I get it. There it is. Secured the bag. Let's go. I got 2 sliders. Do a little shot on that slider right there. I'm sorry that it's loud in here. They got some onions on here, as you guys can see. Some pickles. Let's put some barbecue sauce on it. First time trying White Castle. Let's do it. I'm gonna hit them with the mustard on this one. Either I'm really hungry or this is really good. Dude, they don't taste that good. The fries aren't that good. Sorry, White Castle. You gotta do better on that.
No go on the fries.
No go on the fries. So I didn't give you a proper review of the Impossible Burger from White Castle or the Impossible Sliders. First thing I'm gonna mention is that price was $3.59 for 1 slider.
What?
And I think the regular sliders were like $1.29. I don't remember, I'll have to look back at the footage, but it was like triple the price for the Impossible one, which is fine. I get it, you know, there's like the vegan tax or whatever. So I was cool with trying it since I've never had White Castle before. Would I ever do it again? Well, it depends, maybe. Like I said before, I don't like eating the Impossible Burger that much because it's made with GMO soy, and that's a big no-no for me. But in terms of trying it, since I never tried White Castle before, I think it was worth it for sure. All right, guys, first night, going to Kygo XS. But first, we're hopping on a party bus. Can't show you guys everything. I can't bring this big rig with me, big old camera. So I'll be filming on the phone a little bit and show you guys. So cue the music.
Bullshit. It's all fucking fake, dude.
What is?
All these fucking plants and shit. Stop fucking gambling.
I gotta mute so many of these cuss words. Come on, dude. You know YouTube doesn't monetize cuss words. Come on.
I didn't know you're monetizing. All this. It's all fake. Look at it.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Check out these juices. They say bee on them, but they don't have honey. Looks like they're using agave for the sweetener. Look at this blue one. Looks so vibrant.
Here we are, about to try some good vegan food. They got vegan options, so let's try it out. Alright guys, so we just finished eating at Nacho Daddy. Couldn't really film too much in there because they're playing a bunch of music and we're not about to get copyrighted. But Mike got the fajita salad, looked really good, and a taco salad. I got the vegan quesadilla as you guys saw. Pretty sure it's Gardein chicken in there. It's good. There's not a ton of vegan options here. I mean, I guess there is, but this was something that was kind of special because Nacho Daddy's rated really well, so we thought we'd try it out. I think the star of the show is the vegan nachos for sure. Those were super good. And yeah, and I'll do a little taste value service when I get back to the room with my other camera because I'm filming with the phone. So We'll see you guys then. All right, guys, so I'm back home, and as promised, I had to give you the review of Nacho Daddy's food. So first things first, I'm gonna start with the taste. The taste is delicious. I would definitely recommend it for anyone who is vegan and is also in Las Vegas. I've never eaten at Nacho Daddy the last times that I was in Vegas, but I saw Preacher Lawson posted on his story. I was like, all right, we have to go there. And then that day, we actually ended up seeing Preacher Lawson. I'll snap a picture right here. We ended up meeting him and talking to him, and it was super cool, and he's a super nice guy. We told him he's vegan, and he was just freaking out. And he introduced us to his brothers who are also vegan, and yeah, it was a really cool experience. Moving on to the value at Nacho Daddy, I would say the value is fairly priced. I paid about $25, and that was including my vegan chicken quesadilla meal, and then also splitting half of the loaded nachos with my buddy. I mean, I guess it's a little more expensive, but that's what you get when you're in Vegas. So the value wasn't that great, but the experience of trying the food is what makes it. So it's still worth it in my opinion. And now moving on to the service, I would say the service was phenomenal. The lady was super nice. My buddy actually thought that he got real chicken, and he spit out a piece of the chicken, and he had the lady come back and tell him, hey, like, this isn't real chicken. And she's like, no, I assure you it is. He's like, no, it's not. And then she had the chef come, and then he confirmed that it was real chicken, and it was just Gardein chicken, but the way they had that char grilled, whatever, it had that flavor on it. And even when I tasted it, I was like, whoa, that does kind of taste like chicken, which is freaky, but it was the Gardein. So the service was on point from Nacho Daddy. All in all, I would definitely recommend it for anyone who's vegan and is in Las Vegas. Definitely check out Nacho Daddy. They also have other options that are not vegan options, but who cares about those options, right? They also had a whole page off the menu dedicated to vegan food, so that was super cool. And they also had a vegan chocolate cake, so if you guys are into desserts and cakes and whatnot, vegan ones, they got that for you as well. So after Nacho Daddy, we actually went back to the hotel, started getting ready because we had to leave. We're coming back to Arizona. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and as always, I will see you in the next video. Deuce.